Hi everyone, Ms. Ruckus here. Just thought I'd do a quick video because we've been off the air for longer than we had hoped. It had some repairs that came up, so we were kind of grounded. This is our garage. This is Ruckus's 84 Softail first year of the Evo. So he had this and been working on this bike when we ran into some mechanical things on the other bikes. So he'll be working on this one again in the next couple of weeks here, get that back on the road. But in the meantime, these are our daily rides over here. He has a 2003 anniversary Fat Boy. This is number 68 of 150. They did several custom paint jobs that year, between 150 to 250 models. So they all have the little seal on them for the anniversary, which I think is cool. And of course he has some extras on his bike. And then he just finished getting bearings in that went bad and upgrading some lighting on his when one of my forks started leaking. So he got that all apart, and then it was the challenge of finding a $4.99 part that nobody seemed to have, or they wanted to sell you a whole kit, and we just needed a little, basically a washer. But for $4.99 we got the washer, and we got the screw that goes with that. So he's got both of these bikes back on the road finally, so we should be going out, shooting some videos, getting some more content back up. But this is basically the workspace. Ruckus, this is one of his toolboxes. He's got a lot of the stickers on here from everybody he enjoys doing sticker swaps with. Have a couple sticker boards actually in the house too. So getting pretty good collection. Like getting to know people, doing the swaps. So kind of fun to get to know everybody on YouTube, see what you guys are doing, swap stickers, and we look forward to sharing what we're doing in the very near future. So thanks for being patient. Thanks for liking our videos, subscribing to our channel, and we should have some new content coming out soon. So we will see you on YouTube, and maybe we'll see some of you on the road.